Hello guys, this is Mohammad Shehzad and you are watching GFX Insight. Today I am going to show you how you can create a lotus flower using Adobe Illustrator software. So let's go for it. First of all, I will create a sphere like this. Now, go for direct selection tool, select its one corner, curve it like this. Now select another corner, curve it like this. Now select the object and go to Windows and click on Properties. In Properties panel, select Expand Shape. Now finally it is expanded, straighten it. Now just select the object and decrease its transparency from transparency panel. Okay, I am going to decrease it to 20. Okay, and simply press enter. Now it is now successfully decreased. Now just create a copy of it in the edit menu, copy, paste in front. Now go to rotation tool and click here. After this, rotate it like this. Again, go for selection tool and decrease its size by pressing shift like this. Okay. Now create another copy by Ctrl C and again Ctrl F, paste in front. Again select the rotation tool, click here, rotate it like this. Again go for selection tool and decrease its size like this by holding shift. Now create another copy of it by Ctrl C and Ctrl F, paste in front. Now rotate it as well like this. Decrease its size like this, and finally one side has been created. Select these three, group it. Okay, now press right and go to transform, reflect, vertical and copy. Okay, move it like this and our flower is finally created. Now if you want to change its color, you can do it from the swatches panel like this. I am creating a copy of it and you would see. Here I am going to give it a green color and you can choose any color of your choice. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.